Imagine planning a road trip to visit 10 cities in the shortest possible time. Now imagine doing the same for 10,000 cities. This is the Traveling Salesman Problem, TSP, a foundational challenge in computer science where the goal is to find the optimal route that visits every location exactly once and returns to the start. It's simple to state, but solving it efficiently becomes a mathematical nightmare as the number of cities grows. For decades, researchers have grappled with TSP. Traditional algorithms work for small problems, but when faced with thousands of cities, they either slow to a crawl or fail entirely. Neural networks, which mimic the brain's learning process, have shown promise, but often struggle to balance speed and accuracy across scales. Think of it like a GPS that navigates local streets flawlessly, but collapses when you try to cross a continent. Enter GELD, a revolutionary neural model developed by researchers in China and Singapore that solves TSPs of any size, from 10 cities to over 744,000. How does it achieve this? Let's dive into its architecture. GELD combines two key components, a global view encoder and a local view decoder. The global view encoder acts like a bird's-eye map, rapidly analyzing the entire dataset to identify global patterns and spatial relationships. Meanwhile, the local view decoder focuses on fine-grained details, selecting the next optimal step in the route. Together, they strike a balance between high-level strategy and micro-level precision. Here's the breakthrough. GELD's global view encoder uses a novel attention mechanism that drastically reduces computational overhead. Traditional methods attempt to compare every city to every other city, a task that becomes intractable as the problem scales. GELD, however, groups cities into regions, sharing information efficiently. This is akin to deploying local guides, rather than asking every person in a city for directions. The result? A model that scales seamlessly without sacrificing speed. But what about accuracy? GELD doesn't just solve TSPs, it refines solutions. Researchers trained it using a two-stage process, first on small problems to learn patterns, then on larger ones to adapt. This makes GELD remarkably flexible. Even more impressively, it can take existing solutions from other AI models and improve them, acting as a quality control check that enhances performance without starting from scratch. The results? GELD outperforms 7 state-of-the-art models. On a 10,000 city problem, it achieves a solution just 2.76% worse than the best-known route, while other methods lag with gaps over 50% or take hours to compute. When paired with a local search technique called RI, GELD's performance soars. For example, on a 194 city problem, its error rate drops from 2.88% to 2.35%. And for a 9,847 city puzzle, GELD solves it in record time where competitors crash with OOM, out-of-memory errors. So why does this matter? TSP isn't just a theoretical puzzle. It's the backbone of logistics, circuit design, and even DNA sequencing. GELD's ability to handle problems at any scale means faster, cheaper, and more accurate solutions for real-world challenges. Imagine optimizing delivery routes for a global company, reducing fuel costs, or accelerating genomic research. Next time you see a GPS plotting a route, remember, behind the scenes, AI like GELD is working to make that journey as efficient as possible. Thanks for watching. If you want to explore more about AI solving real-world problems, hit that subscribe button. And let me know in the comments, what other complex challenges do you think AI could tackle next?